So hello guys, welcome to my vlog, and today guys we're gonna make a pancake. Not only a simple pancake but a pancake with malunggay that I will use to my project later. And as you can see guys, the ingredients are now ready. Here is the malunggay, and I added malunggay because malunggay is nutritious and I can only find it in our backyard. I think malunggay will not taste in our pancake because malunggay is tasteless. And to introduce the other ingredients, here is the egg that I buy in the store, and this is the bake the flour with baking powder already that I mixed earlier, and the milk that I buy also from the to the store. And now let's go. So guys, this is it. After the long process of mixing, this is now the product of our pancake mix that we mixed earlier. And now it is ready to be cooked. And let's go, let's cook it. So guys, after a long process of mixing and cooking, let me now show you the finished product of my very own malunggay pancake. Here it is. It looks delicious. Wow. It's my very own. So what's up guys, I'm back again, and now after a long process of cooking, this is now the finished product of our malunggay pancake that has malunggay inside. And now I will make my project, which I will call the plant cell. So for today guys, I will make a edible plant cell, which is my project. But first, let us learn about cell. So what is cell? According to the dictionary, or the Google, cell is the basic unit of life, and according to the scientists, all living things are made up of cell, and it means without cell there will be no living things that will exist in this world. There will be no life at all. Now that we already know what is a cell, let us now proceed to the edible plant cell that I will make. So here it is. But before we proceed to the making of the edible cell, let me inform you that my hand is very clean and I wash my hands before doing this project, so I can be sure that whoever will eat this is safe to the bacteria. So now let's proceed. First is the cytoplasm, or the base of the cell, that is jelly-like structure where other organelles are embedded. Then the next part is the cell wall, which serves as the structural support and protection for plant cells. And this gummy stick is what we will use to the cell wall, and we will just place it around the cytoplasm to make it look like a wall. So that's it. That is a cell wall. And after protecting the cell, we must place the another main organelle in cell, which is the nucleus, which serves as the command center in cells because it facilitates all the process in cells such as protein synthesis and etc. So this cheesecake is the one we will use as the nucleus. Next is this pulveron. This will serve as the nucleolus in this nucleus. The nucleolus is the one who rewrite ribosomal RNA and combine it with proteins. Next is the vacuole, or the water storage in plants. It also contains waste products and also responsible in isolating materials that might be harmful or a threat. Compared to animal cell, the vacuole of plants is larger because plants need plenty of water, unlike animal cell that only needs small amount of fluid. So here it is. Let's place it. Okay, let's just use this, and that's the vacuole. So for the next organelle is the ribosome. Ribosome are the cell structure in cells that makes proteins. They can be found floating in the cytoplasm, so we will just put it like this. The ribosome are just little like this, so we will just use chocolate nips in those ribosomes. So let's just put it right there, just like that, and that's it. That's the ribosome. And then next is the endoplasmic reticulum, which also produces proteins and serves as the highway in plant cells. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulums, the smooth one and the rough one. So let's put first the smooth one, and let's just put it like this, the smaller, because it is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum that make it small. And then the rough one is large because it is rough, and I can say that endoplasmic reticulums is just like roads or highways in city. It is where the things are transported. This is the way of transport in plant cells. So that's it. That's the endoplasmic reticulums. So for the next part, it will be the mitochondria, or the powerhouse of the cell. It is the main source of energy for the cell, and therefore for the whole plant. And this nuts is we will use for the mitochondria. So just place it here and there, and that's it, the mitochondria. And then the next one will be the chloroplast. It is a special organelle that can only be found in plants. In this chloroplast, we will use these gummy worms and cut it into pieces, so we can put it in the base, or our cytoplasm, which is the pancake. The chloroplast catches sunlight for the plants to conduct photosynthesis. So here it is. Let's place it in our cell. So that's it. That's the chloroplast. For the next organelle, we will use these two pochi to represent the peroxisomes, which contain the enzymes that oxidize certain molecules normally found in the cell, notably fatty acids and amino acids. Those oxidation reactions produce hydrogen peroxide, which is the basis of the name peroxisome. And for the next organelle, the Golgi body, we will use some gummy strips for placing in our plant cell. So here it is. Let's place the Golgi body. While many types of cells contain only one or several Golgi apparatus, plant cell can contain hundreds. The Golgi body is responsible for transporting, modifying, and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for delivery to targeted destinations. So that's it. Our plant cell is finished. It is ready to be eaten. Let's go!
So, eto na nga, tapos na ang ating pancake ala malunggay na ginawa natin kanina at kaninang umaga. So, eto siya, ipapatikim na natin siya sa mga makikita natin, sa mga makakasalubong natin dito. So, ayun, malalaman nyo kung masarap ba to o hindi. So, let's go! Ito na yung mga bisita natin, boy. Ay, mga nagtatakbuhan. Meron muna, si Papa muna. Ito nga pala yung tatay ko. Ito pa, lolo ko. Papatikimin ko muna sila.
Ay, ba't nakaubad? Ikaw ang damit.
Ayos lang yan. Hirap na hirap. Usad muna natin. O, onti-onti lang pa. Tikman mo ang aking ginawa. Sino naman?
Ano ba to?
Pancake yan na may malunggay yan. O, anong sasabi mo? Teka lang, hatiin ko na to para masusunod nating
Naka ba yan? Naka-live ito.
O, ang masasabi nyo? Okay daw, masarap. Olo, ito naman. Hindi ka makakaligtas dito. Isa tong double cross.
Ano ba to?
Pancake na may malunggay. Ano masasabi mo? Okay daw. Ito na, mga magtatakbuhan. Dito. Nanguhuli tayo ng mga... Ayun, mga nagtatakbuhan na walang... Ayaw yata nila eh.
Mga ipis.
Teka lang, maggagala kami dito. Sa mga nagtatanong ba't kami walang face mask, saka face shield, kasi nandito lang naman kami sa lugar namin. Kumbaga isang compound kami dito na magkakamag-anak. Kaya at kilala naman namin yung isa't isa, kaya safe
Okay
naman
lang.
na nang lumabas.
Okay lang naman
Dito
kami.
lang sa kalsada. So ayun lang yung bahay namin, pakita mo. Di kami lumalayo. Ayan, doon tayo kabait at sumusunod tayo. Ito yung kapatid ko. Ano naman, yung kulay pa lang.
Edward yan, Edward.
Ayan, Edward din pangalan yan. Hindi, kumuha ka na lang.
Spider-Man.
Edward,
Go, tikman mo. Yan, sige. Ano nasabi mo? Pilit na pilit.
Good. Ganun.
Ikaw ba, Daniel?
Ayoko.
Sino gusto?
Pipi.
Mga nagtatakot
Pipi.
sa
Si
mga
Pipi.
nagtatakot.
Si Pipi daw, si Pipi gusto.
O, ikaw. Si BJ.
Ano masasabi mo? BJ.
Anong masasabi mo, BJ?
Ano man tatawag yung bakit yung cheesecake lang papakain mo?
O, ito.
Ano masasabi mo? Ano yung sabihin yan?
O, ikaw dyan. Dyan, tara dito.
Eto, ano masasabi nyo dito?
Oh, baka
Mga
yung gusto
takot
mo.
na takot sa camera.
Eri si kulot.
O, ito na nga. Ikaw ba kulot? Gusto mo?
Hinati
Pili
pa
ka,
yung
pili
ano.
ka.
Kawawa naman.
Baka malaki, yung pinakamalaki kunin mo. O, ayun lang.
Bakit
Kinuha,
yan lang?
Yung ano lang, yung pan.
Alright.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Sarap.
O, okay daw.
Okay.
Approve yun, approve. Ikaw ba? Eto. Ayaw. Mga takot.
Nakakamatay.
Ayaw, ba't ba ayaw yung mga naglalayo? Ang sarap naman to eh.
Boy, nakakamatay kasi sa sobrang sarap to boy. Tikman nyo na.
Takbuhan.
Oh, pupunta mo na, bibigyan ka na.
Vloggers nga tayo eh. Ay, nyo, tikman.
Ayoko.
So, ayun, mukhang ayaw na nila.
Doon tayo.
Mukhang papakain na lang natin to sa kanila nang nakapatay yung camera.
Pero tara.
Walang video. Walang video.
Patay mo na.
Walang video, boy.
O,
Tara,
ayan,
patay na.
Patay na. O, sige, kain nyo na.
Wala na bang video?
O, wala na.
Yung isa na. Yung hila kayo boy.
Sarap ba no?
Double tea.
Malunggay lang laman yan, boy. Kaya mo na ba? Ay, yung pancake, ikaw bara. Ay, may gelation. Dinakot na. Tignan nyo ako, gano'ng kasarap, dinadakot para nakakamay. O, ubos. Ubos. Kita nyo naman. O, kita nyo naman.
Imomontage
Ganun ako
ko pa
kasarap
yan.
magluto. O,
Wow!
ganun yun kalupit. O, tara na, let's go. Tapos na tayo sa vlog natin. So, dito po nagtatapos ang ating vlog na plant sale. At let's see you on my next vlog. Babalik kami sa panibagong kalokohan na naman. Thank you.